comprehension.
Quiet.
Read the text and answer the questions. The brave mouse. Jerry was a brave mouse. He wasn't scared of anything, but one day a large cat moved into his house. Jeremy and Fanny were scared and wanted to find a new home, but they were trapped. They hid under the house too, afraid to leave. Jerry had a plan. He hid behind the door in the kitchen. When a cat walked past, he pushed a basket on the cat and trapped him. He finally ran off the house and found a new home.
Number 1 question.
Who moved into Jerry's house? A large cat moved into his house.
Number 1 po.
Oh. In case I have a razor pa, but I only have little. A large cat moved. Number 2. How does his family feel?
They were
Wait.
very
Jerry's family. Mr.
What's the answer po?
Were very
Very what?
scared
Scared.
and find a new home.
Next, number 3.
Where did they hide? But they were trying to hid under his house.
They hid
They hid under Mama.
Okay, baby. Nasaan yung
Mama. How did Jerry trap the cat?
Number 4. How did
Jerry trap the cat? I don't know.
you read it? There. What did he do to
When
catch
the
the...
cat walked past, he pushed the basket and the trap.
that one. He pushed
When the cat walked, it's like a story.
Yes po.
Walked past. He pushed a basket. On the cat.
And
Cat and and trapped him.
Correct.